Okay na? Okay na?
Be,
Okay.
kanina pa.
Good day, everyone. My name is Jesse Lawrence P. Sede, and I'm about to report the role of technology in each stage of the tourism process. Let's start. As per the agenda, the role of technology in shaping tourism experiences. We have pre-consumption, consumption, and post-consumption. Next. As per the pre-consumption, internet technologies are used to obtain information necessary for planning travels, formulating correct expectations, and evaluating and selecting alternatives, as well as to communicate with providers of tourism products and services to prepare or execute transaction. For example of this is product trial and virtual tour. As for the consumption, internet technologies are used during the actual trip, mainly for travelers to stay connected and obtain relevant en route information at a specific place and moment in time for decision making and on site transaction. We can use mobile phones or geographical information system and etc. As for the last one, post consumption. Post-consumption is internet technologies are used in ways that allow sharing, documenting, storing, and reliving tourism experience, as well as establishing close relationship with places, attraction, or product and services provider. For example of this is virtual travel, community, and social media. Thank you. That's all.